All right, doing some more trail work, and west side of the paved road, trying to clear up some of these trails. If you're out riding this weekend and you see a spot where there's a lot of debris, feel free to stop and push it off to the side. I can only do so much with the brush grinder, but I got quite a ways up here on this one, opening it up, making it a little bit better for your line of sight, also giving you multiple lines. You can see where the trail is over here, right here, and I've kind of opened it up some for you. A lot of work. It's not easy to get this thing up in here either. Some pretty sketchy areas to navigate. Yeah, we're getting quite a bit done today. This is, I think, the middle trail on the west side, and I got up there as far as I could. If, like I said, if you're out riding and you see an area that's got a lot of debris, please stop and just like this is what I'm doing right here, just kind of throw it off to the side. And I've tried to get all the roots I could possibly get and stumps for the most part. But it's going to make it a lot nicer. And I'm going to be working on getting a work party set up sometime during the spring before everything gets too bad. There's a big friggin' rock I uncovered off to the side. Shouldn't be an issue. There's some stumps right there, but yeah, for the most part, you know, I've only been out here a couple hours and I got quite a bit done already. Guys, this is on the east side of the paved road. It goes down along the river. It's one of the main early trails, and it's been getting worse every year. This section here is pretty rough. I can't really get in here with the tractor and clean it up a little bit. However, we are doing a trail reroute. So it used to go, I mean, right down on the edge of the river, and it's been washing out and it's been getting worse. So to try and keep some of the erosion from happening, and this is in a bend in the river as well, to try and keep that from getting worse, we're going to reroute straight, and then it's going to pop back in right there at that little mud crossing. Plenty wide enough. And again, if you're out riding and you see some piles of debris and stuff, please stop, clean it up. We'd appreciate it. And a few of you guys have said, oh, you work for the Corps. No, I don't. Actually, I'm a volunteer. I used to work for the Corps 14 years ago or so as a summer ranger. But yeah, I'm volunteering my time again. So anyway, if you see me out here on a tractor stop, say hi. And again, stop and pick up some debris. It's mainly ground up stuff. Shouldn't be too much of an issue, but you never know. If you can get it out of the way, get it out of the way. And this is going to be a really nice trail. This will break in really quick. So I'll show you where it pops out. I'm going to try and get a log across. So yeah, I got this pretty much cleaned out best I could. And we're gonna have to get this hump kind of worked out a little bit. But here's a little mud crossing, and I'm probably gonna drag that log across and force everybody to go here to the left. All right, there you have it.